This isn't Vegas. This is. And how did we get here? That's coming up right now.
Tater's gonna Tate.
Installed. Flyboat. Room key not going to get me in the car.
No.
Which pretty ridiculous, I think, but you know.
Right? Maybe somebody from the casino can get us.
Make a wish.
You want to read it out loud?
Good grief. I'm stuttering a lot. What do we got here?
Research. So, it turns out it's cheaper to fly to Vegas and then fly to Seattle and then fly to Vegas and then fly to home, all out of Tampa instead of Orlando.
Okay, so a 3-day situation here.
So leaving Saturday morning from Tampa, getting to Vegas Saturday morning or early afternoon on Saturday in Vegas, spending the night at either Circus or Excalibur Saturday night, getting up Sunday morning, flying to Seattle, surprising everybody, including the grandkids, at the superhero party, dressed as two superheroes, getting back on a plane Sunday evening in Seattle to fly to Vegas and getting there probably about midnight, spending the night either at Circus or Excalibur. They're on opposite ends of the strip. Mm-hmm. Spending most of Monday checking out that end of the strip and then flying home Monday to get home Monday night.
Okay.
What do you think?
Well, it was of all the surprise presents ever. Definitely was not remotely expecting this. So
now, obviously, financially wise, we're going to have to potentially take out more than we had planned.
True.
But I mean, in for a penny, in for a pound. You
Also
wanted the
true.
world. You're going to have to help me pay for it.
Turns out the world costs money.
Turns out the world costs more money. What do you think?
All right, let's do it. YOINK. It begins.
Oh my. What have we done?
All right, Uber time. Here we go to the airport.
You're going to film the Brightline building that we're not going to.
Yeah, planes, trains, and automobiles.
Yeah, basically.
Yep.
I bet at airport.
All right, we shouldn't need to do any of this check-in business, right?
I don't know. Maybe we should check it just to make sure. I don't know if we have to.
No, we already have our boarding passes.
Do we?
Yeah. All right, here we go. Into the line.
If he could set something off at TSA, he will. Every single time. Uh-huh.
Do you have an area for that? All right, if we could just avoid any imperial entanglements, we should be all right. We made it.
We did it.
And look who followed us here.
Hey.
I better find it before security finds out. All right, my dinner was from La Madeleine. Not a lot of options here in Terminal A. And the chips. $18-ish.
You guys, Ethan got me a chicken salad. I'm at that point where I'm too hungry that I don't feel hungry, and I don't want to eat anything. So he went and got me a chicken salad, a chicken Caesar salad, and it came like this. And I'm like, what the hell happened? He goes, I didn't know that the chicken was touching the rest of the stuff, and I know you don't like that, so I plucked it all out for you. I'm gonna cry. That was so sweet. He got himself something too. Did you get a chocolate croissant? This isn't a cruise.
That's not what that woman's dress says.
That's true. She's dressed like a cruise.
Alright, so they're starting to board. It's 8:11. Oh, it says right there, duh. I'm trying to look it up on my phone. It's 8:20.
They just said we were in an emergency exit row. We didn't pay extra for that, so maybe that's a different plane and they changed rows.
That could be. Just received important information.
I really should have gotten a shot of him trying to untangle his earbuds for the last 10 minutes. This is the setup he came up with for our flight. He downloaded some videos on the phone. He's got this little box thing that we're both of our headphones are plugged into. Are you proud of yourself? Was this the record one? We're playing cribbage solitaire. Are you having a nice time? I'm super zoomed.
Statistically, no.
I am super zoomed in here.
2, 4, 6, 8, 10.
Nice.
All right, it's 11 o'clock local time.
Tired?
These are not for playing. This is just for decoration. All right, we got a cab to downtown. We're going to El Cortez. All right, well, views are going to be up and down here, but through that mess is the sphere.
Through those people's houses.
Yep. There it is-ish. There it is, yep. Let's see if I can zoom in because it's pretty dark. There's the sphere. That. Should note it's 11:24 local time. There's the elixir.
That's not.
Yep. America. There's a parking garage in the way. So that's the general gist of where we're heading right now. We did it. We're in the El Cortez.
We made it.
We just got to check in. It's about 11:40 local time.
That's the room key. Okay, this is we're on the walkway to our room. And this is what we just passed.
All right, let's get our bearings. There's Container Park. Here's our room, just for tonight. We have a double queen. There it is. This is very old school in its sensibilities. You got a fridge, you got a coffee. I assume the fridge is empty. Yep.
Look at the world's tiniest little soaps. We got 3 of them.
So we got tiny free water, right?
2 lotions, shampoo, and 2 shampoo conditioners.
Here's the bathroom. Yep. All right. Considering we're here for like 5 hours.
Yeah.
Reid have been wee. It's just after midnight, local time. We dumped off the stuff in the room.
I'm here.
Jaime has some kind of wind. We don't know which number wind it is, but
I will basically. I've been up. I have been. I've been up 24 hours.
oh well, there you go. There's the strap.
There's the strip. Okay, so the strip is there, right there.
Yeah. There you go.
Wow.
This is Siegel's 1941. Jaime needs something to eat, so we're going to split something here.
So apparently 1 in the morning on a Thursday night, or Friday morning, I guess, is a really good time to come to Siegel's for food. Because we are it. We're getting the El Cortez burger. We're just gonna split it because I need food, but I'm not starving, and I'm going to crash relatively soon.
Sure.
We might have time for you to play some top dollar. But after that, I think we're about done.
This is mighty thoughtful of them.
Yeah.
There we
You
go.
guys enjoy, okay?
Yep.
All right, we're splitting the El Cortez burger.
Vegas style.
Honey, I asked her to cut it in half.
Yeah, but I didn't think that. I thought it'd just be cut in half on a plate. I didn't know that we're getting his and her halves here.
Oh, okay. How's the burger?
Had a bite.
It's more than I've had so far. I've been eating the fries.
Yeah, me too.
So now that you've eaten your burger, how was it?
It was Mr. Right Now.
I agree.
It wasn't great, but it was fine.
Yeah, it worked.
All right, it is bedtime for us clowns. So I got 1:30 going into regular top dollar, not double top dollar, just regular. How regular is so regular that max bet is 2 credits, so $2 a spin. We want the top dollar to be right here. Now let's see how we do. Oh. Walk up top dollar would have been great, and I got it on the second spin. All right. Nice. Lay it on me. I'm here.
What you got to say about that? Who is this take offer? Oh, I don't know, man. God, that's tough. You know what? I'm gonna take him up on it. I mean, 120 bucks just walking up to the machine, pretty much. Yeah. I mean, I'll still back of spin. I think that's fair. Down to 240. Okay, that's it. Cash out. All right, well, that was my day one. Well, we got a lot more Vegas to come yet, but we got to go to bed. My stomach is like flipping right now because it wants me to go to freaking bed and not stay up all night. But 240, I got to get to a thing to cash this out so I can put some money in the safe and start fresh in the morning. How about this?
No!